Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken bones, which can be a mix of backs, necks, or carcasses. Also, prepare your aromatic vegetables like 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all roughly chopped. Don't forget fresh herbs such as a few sprigs of parsley and thyme, along with about 10 whole black peppercorns. Now, let's combine everything. Place your chicken bones and all the chopped vegetables into a large stock pot. Add 1 or 2 bay leaves, about 10 whole black peppercorns, and your fresh herb sprigs. Pour in enough cold water to completely cover all the ingredients by about 1 inch. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. The key to great stock is a long, gentle simmer. For the first hour, use a ladle or spoon to skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. This helps keep your stock clear. Maintain a very low simmer, just barely bubbling, for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even up to 8 hours for a richer flavor. Remember, do not stir the stock often, as this can make it cloudy. Once your stock has simmered sufficiently, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard all the cooked bones and vegetables. Allow the stock to cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. You can refrigerate it for up to 4 days or freeze it for several months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.